If you're building a Flutter app with a Serverpod backend, how much of your day is actually writing features? And how much of it is writing YAML model files, running Serverpod generate, hand-coding endpoint boilerplate, jumping between your terminal, your database client, and your IDE, just to get to the point where you can test whether the thing you actually wanted to build works. That gap between the idea and the working API, that's exactly what Dartform is built to close. Hey friends, welcome back to Mobterest Studio, and in this series we're going to explore Dartform by building a neighborhood community app from a blank Serverpod project all the way to a working Flutter connected backend using Dartform at every step. By the end of this series, you'll have a real project under your belt and a tool in your workflow that you won't want to go back from. But first, let me show you what Dartform actually is. Dartform is a native desktop app built specifically for Dart backend development, starting with Serverpod. It's not a code editor, it's not a database admin tool, it's a visual development environment that sits alongside your Serverpod project and handles the parts of backend development that are tedious to do by hand. You can design your data models visually, no YAML syntax to remember, you can generate your endpoints with one click, you can browse your Postgres database without ever leaving the app, you can test your API live right there inside Dartform, and you can generate a complete clean architecture Flutter data layer, repositories, data sources, result types, all from the client package Serverpod already compiled for us. Everything in one place, everything connected. Throughout this series, we're building the backend engine of NeighbourHub, a neighborhood community app. Members can create, post, and make comments in their respective neighborhood hub, join local events, and connect with other members in the neighborhood. It's a kind of app that touches almost every Serverpod feature: data modeling, relations, migrations, authentication, real-time data, Flutter integration, which means by the time you're done, you'll have seen Dartform handle pretty much everything it's capable of. So here's what we're covering in this series. Episode 2, we install Dartform, set up NeighbourHub as a fresh Serverpod project, and get everything running. From there, we go into data modeling, endpoints, migrations, the database browser, Flutter layer generation, server monitoring, all the way to a connected working app. Each episode is short, focused, and picks up exactly where the last one left off. So if you're ready to spend less time on boilerplate and more time on actual problem solving and product thinking, episode 2 is right there. If you haven't downloaded Dartform yet, the link is in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.